Good morning, everyone. Today we're in South Sea along Taylor Road, where we have ZURI 1 and ZURI 2 apartments located. My name is Collins Juguna. I'm going to be taking you through for the construction updates for this month. In terms of floor finishes, we managed to get enough quantities for the entire project after importation. Currently, we are working on tiling on the first floor level. We also managed to acquire the lifts to number for both phases. They were delivered on site. We are scheduling to start the installation in the next coming days. From the last update, we had started doing the skimming to internal walls. We started doing the second coat. Currently, we are done. We've done up to 15th floor. The skimming is 100% done. After we've done the second coat of skimming, we started doing the sanding on internal walls. And the main purpose as to why we are doing the sanding is to make sure that all the wall surfaces are even, and to also have uniform surfaces ready to receive the undercoats and the final paint coat. After the installation of the spotlights for the gypsum, we did the skimming. That is the first coat and the second coat. We also did the sanding. All this progress was made from mezzanine up to 10th floor. And we also, after sanding, we also did the undercoat in readiness to receive the last final coat, which will be a brilliant white color. In terms of electrical works, from the last update, we had done wiring from our third floor. We managed, during this month, we managed to do 6 more floors, that is up to 9th floor. Currently, we are doing the electrical fittings. We've started from the mezzanine floor, going upwards. Another major milestone that we've done for this month, we've managed to do the stair screeding in readiness to receive the tiles. That's from the topmost floor up to the mezzanine floor. Here at the rooftop, after doing the A.P.P layer, which we had skirting just to prevent any water seeping into the wall, we did our protective screed, which is normally used to protect the A.P.P membrane from any physical damage. Secondly, it's used to drain the surface runoff, because we expect a lot of surface runoff on this level. So we use the screed to achieve gentle slopes that will be able to drain out the excess surface runoff that is not needed on this level. That has been our monthly progress report. Stay tuned for more.